This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDB to assess the level of speaking of the candidates. I am examiner Arvinder Singh with the candidate Gurinder Kaur and candidate number 111101. Okay. Gurinder, first of all, please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Gurinder Kaur. I am 19 years old and recently I completed my senior secondary education from Ashoka Senior Secondary School, and I have a couple of hobbies. I love to listen music and traveling.
Alright. Tell me something about your school.
Well, my school is held in Sarhind. It is a big building and it is from 6th standard to 12th standard.
Alright. So, what you like the most about your school?
The whole teachers in my school are very soft spoken and very helpful. Also the services are very good. The water facilities to drink are also very good. I like all about my school.
Okay. Is there anything that you want to change or improve in your school?
No, there is nothing to change because all the things are in their perfect way.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything that which makes your school unique from other schools? How your school is different from other schools of your area?
My school is very unique as they sometimes reduce the fees of that people who are not able to pay full fees. In that way, it is a very unique school.
Okay. What do you think about the education system of your country?
The education system of my country is very good according to me. They provide all the facilities to students. It is the ability of student in how much they learn and in which way they can learn.
Okay. What changes you have observed in the past few years in your school?
I think there is no change according to me in the past days. Education is very good, and nowadays the education is also providing in very good way. Students can learn more and more knowledge from their schools.
Alright, okay. Let's talk about advertisements. Do you like watching advertisements?
Yes, sometimes I like to watch endorsements to gain the knowledge about the latest things which are launched in market, and if I want to purchase them, so that's why I love to watch advertisements.
And what are the products which are advertised on TV these days?
There are a plethora of products which are advertised on TV, such as shampoos and soaps, household items, clothes, trendy shoes, and many more things.
And do you think people pay attention to these advertisements?
Yes, mostly people pay attention to advertisements because it is very attractive, and they think that it is very lucrative for them.
And which age group people pay more attention towards advertisements and why?
I think the young adults pay more attention to advertisements as they take the responsibility of whole house, and they know which thing is needy for them.
Alright. And is it important to regulate the advertisements?
I think it is not important to regulate the advertisements.
And why so?
Because I think
Alright, okay. Now we will move towards part 2 of speaking, that is cue card. And your cue card is describe a work or sport you have done as a team. Alright. So you can make notes if you want, and you have 1 minute to prepare for it, and and then you have to deliver it for another 2 minutes. Okay, your time for preparation starts now. All right. Okay, please start.
Well, many times I did work in groups and in which we do different things. In my family groups, I discuss about family situations and future plannings. But here I would like to talk about a time when I work in a group when I was in school. Every year there is an NGO in my city which organized a painting competition in which many schools take part and wins many prizes. Our school is also participated in this competition, and our teachers choose my name and the whole classes to contribute in this work. All the school decided that we prepare a model on global warming, and in which we all the students and teachers need to put their efforts, and we all bring our from waste material from our house which is not usable, and we make a group and use this material to make the model, and in which we make some persons who cut the trees, and there are some factories in which the harmful smoke is emitted, and it was very good looking when it made up, and I think doing work in group is very good, as all the participants put their efforts and they can help each other to advise them that how each thing is used, and when we distribute it to the NGO, and fortunately we were the winner of this competition, and it was a big achievement for our school.
Okay, I'm going to stop you. Your time is up. Alright, now we will move towards follow-up questions. Alright. Okay, my first question is, are team activities popular in the community around you?
I think team work are very popular in the community around me, as a government also work in a group and they develop our country, and our officers, police officers and army officers also work in a group, and they work for our society and boost the economy of our country.
Okay. What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
There are many qualities which one can learn from a team. They can learn how one can put our efforts and help each other. It strengthens the bonds between one person to another person, and one can make different new friends in a teamwork.
Mm-hmm. All right. Do you think team leaders are important in every team?
Yes, team leaders are essential in every team, as they guide their team members how to do the work and how to follow the instructions.
Right. Why do companies practice team activities?
Pardon, please.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Companies practice team work as they divided their employees into different parts and recognize which team is doing well, and by this every team work well and put their all efforts, and which will increase the productivity of company.
All right. Okay. All right. That's it.